Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed it about RMS values of an average value of an alternating quantity, and we will discuss the sum based on the problems. So, so I'm drawing the waveform. For that waveform, you need to calculate the RMS value and average value. So this is the waveform like this. This is one, and the time period values are mentioned like this. And for this waveform, you need to calculate the average value and RMS value. Calculate average value and RMS value. Okay. Before, so here there is a magnitude given as V, and here the magnitude is given as minus V. So please mute yourself. So step 1, you need to calculate the RMS value. So for that you need to calculate the slope for one complete cycle. So one complete cycle means, so here the waveform will start. Again here the waveform will end. So that means from 0 to 2 is the time period. 0 to 2 is the time period. So this is the one complete cycle. So for this, what is the time period? The time period is 2 seconds. 2 minus 0. Okay. So the time period is 2 seconds. That means step 1 you need to calculate to find RMS value. You should calculate slope of this waveform. Okay. So for calculating the slope, what is the formula? So if there are 2 points are there, so y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here the origin, it is passing through origin. So the point is 0 comma 0. And here, what is the point? Here we are having a x as 1. Sorry. Properly. Okay. So x as 1 here and y as v here. Okay. So this is the point. Now we need to find out the slope for this half cycle. So first you need to calculate the slope. So this is the x2 and this is y2 and this is x1, this is y1. Now you can need to calculate the slope. V minus, what is the y1 value? 0, and x2 value as 1 minus 0. So that means you are getting V. So here for 0, for this slope is passed to the origin. So y is equals to mx. So this is the formula. So the y-axis is nothing but what is the y-axis? This is the y-axis. So v of t. So in the place of y, I am writing it as a v of t is equals to, what is the m value? Slope value you got as t. And what is x? This is the x-axis, t. So v of t is equal. Somebody is not muted. Please mute yourself. Looking down. So m, in the place of m we can write a v. Why? Because we got v. And x, what is the x-axis? T. So this is the obtained equation for the range of 0 to 1. So the time period ranges from 0 to 1. In between 0 to 1, we got v of t as v multiplied with t. Okay, v multiplied with t. Matta Raviteja, please mute yourself. Hello, Matta Raviteja, please mute yourself. Okay. Now we'll see about for one complete cycle we have already calculated the equation for half cycle. This is for half cycle. Now I want another half cycle. Another half cycle is nothing but from 1 to 2. From 1 to 2 I want the slope. Okay, from 1 to 2 I want to calculate the slope. So what is the points here? Here x value is 1 and y value is minus v. And what is the point here? X value is 2 and y value is 0. So now this is x2, y2 and this is x1, y1. Okay, now you need to calculate the slope for this line. Okay, so it's not writing. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, now we need to calculate the slope for between the time period for 1 to 2. Okay, so slope for between the time period, sorry, 1 to 2. Okay, so it is not passing between 1 to 2. It is not passing from origin. It is not passing from the origin. So please mute yourself. Pranav, Naga Pranav, please mute your. Please mute yourself.
Sir.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Sir, you called me.
So please mute yourself, Naga Pranav. Yes, you're. Please mute yourself.
You need to join the session.
So for between 1 to 2, so what is the time you need to calculate the slope. So what is the formula? Y is equals to mx plus c. Why it is not passing through the origin, so that's why you have added to the constant value, so that we need to calculate that constant value. So uh, first you need to calculate the slope first. So the slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is the y2 value? 0. Here the what are the points? 1 comma minus v and 2 comma 0 are the points. So here this is x1, this is x1, and this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. Now calculate the slope value. So 0 minus of minus v by what is the x2 value? 2, x1 value as 1. So what is the value you are getting here? V by 1, which is nothing but v. Okay. So now write it in the equation form. So what is the equation for the between 1 to 2? The equation, line equation is y equals to mx plus c. Okay. Now what is the y value here? So for this line, you have to calculate the constant value. For this, we are considering the point as y as our last point as 2 comma 0. So 2 comma 0 is the point. Okay. Now in this, what is the y value? This is the y value. So substitute 0 here. And what is the slope value got as v? So place it over here. And what is the x is the t. And we need to calculate c. So c is equals to minus of vt. So this is the value. So again, you need to substitute the c in the place of y equals to mx plus c. So up to here clear? So any doubts up to here? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, explain, sir.
So now,
Sir,
Sir, once again explain, sir.
okay. Okay. So this is the waveform. So for this waveform, you need to calculate the RMS. Yeah? Tell me. What?
Nothing, sir. He
continue, sir. Continue, sir.
Okay. Okay. So for this waveform, you need to calculate the RMS value. So step 1 is to calculate the RMS value. You need to know the for one complete cycle, you need to know the slope of this particular waveform. Okay. So for that, I'm splitting this waveform into two parts. One is a 0 to 1 is a one slope, and 1 to 2 is a different slope. Okay. So that we need to calculate first a half cycle slope. That is from slope is range between the waveform is ranging from time period for 0 to 1. 0 to 1 we have already calculated the slope value, and the slope equation is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and the points of this here as 0 comma 0 to 1 comma v. So these are the points. So this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, this is y2. So I'm substituted the values so that I will get a slope. Okay, the slope value we got as v.
Sir,
We
here
got as v.
t value, it should be 2, no, sir? Time period 0 less than t less than 2 should be, no, sir? It should be.
Where?
Here, sir. 0 less than is time period value, sir. Range. Its range.
Time period value is
Its range must be 0 less than t
yeah.
less than 2.
0 less than t less than 2. Oh yes, for this for one complete cycle. This is for one complete cycle.
Now you are taking for a half
So
cycle.
this
Sir.
complete cycle. Yes, we have taken for the half cycle, and that again we will have calculating another half cycle. This is the another half cycle. Okay.
Okay.
You're not listening from the first onwards. That's why you are asking this doubt. Okay, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Power
it
is
gets
not just-
clear to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
question.
0 less than t less than 1 we have calculated.
Power is
0 less than t less than 1 we have calculated. We have calculated the slope value. So the slope value is v. Okay. We got the slope value as v, and this substituted the equation form as y equals to mx. So here m value is v, and what is the y value? So you need to take the y This is the y-axis. So write down that value v of t is equals to what is the m value you got as v multiplied with x as a t. Okay. So this is the for half cycle. This is the equation, line equation. Okay. V of t equation. And we need to calculate another half cycle that is nothing but a time period ranging from 1 less than t less than 2. Okay. So for this line equation must be y equals to mx plus c. Line equation must be y equals to mx plus c. Why we are writing it as a constant value? It is not passing through origin. So whereas in complete in the earlier half cycle, it is passing, the slope is passing from the origin. The line is passing from the origin. Okay. But here it is not passing through the origin. It is passing through some other point. Okay. That value is 1 comma 0. Okay. So that the constant is coming here. So we need to calculate this constant value. So for that we need to calculate first slope value as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what are the points here? Here these are the points from another half cycle between 1 comma 2, between the time period range from 1 to 2. These are the points 1 comma minus v and 2 comma 0. So we have calculated the slope value and we got the slope value as v. Again here v, the slope value as v, and we need to substitute this slope value in the line equation, which is nothing but y equals to mx plus c, and we find out the c equation. So the c equation is v of t. Okay. Minus v of t. Now we need to substitute. Up to here clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, a
Yes.
small request, sir. Can you
Up to here.
can you just write that in a
Yes, yes.
that we can take a screenshot and write the topic later.
Yeah. Your voice is breaking.
Sir, I'm just telling that can you write it in order so it's like clumsy over there, here and there, no sir, the sum. So we can't write it later, sir, by taking
Okay.
screen.
Okay. Why I am writing like that means there is no space. There is no space.
I got
Every time I need to erase.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I
Sir,
got
Every
it.
time I
But,
need to erase.
we are-
So
Sir, just you just
Okay,
draw
okay.
the line so
So,
that you
I will-
can split the
yes,
screen.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Up to here.
Yes, sir.
Up to here clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we got the slopes for first half cycle and second half cycle, so that we need to calculate the RMS value. It is not fully erasing. This tablet is very problematic. Okay. Now it is got fully erased. Okay. So now Vrms is equals to root over integral 0 to t. So here the y-axis is nothing but a v of t whole square dt by time period for one complete cycle. Here the time period value is t. Okay, so now we need to substitute the whole equation. So that means what is the time period value? Here the time period value for one complete cycle is 2. So integral 0 to 2 limits. So what is the v value? So v value we have calculated in two terms. One is for 0 less than t less than 1. So v of t value as we got as v, I think we got as v multiplied with t. Okay, so that is the value we got. And for another half cycle, that is nothing 1 less than t less than 2. So we got v of t as, what is the value of v of t? V of t is equals to y equals to mx plus c kada. So we got a as v and x value as t, and again we got as c value as a minus of minus. That means I think it's what is the c value we have calculated earlier. You are not drawing down okay, again
Minus
calculate here
Minus VT, sir.
minus vt. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you take minus vt then it is will be 0. It's not minus vt, I think. Again I will calculate. Okay, y equals to not responding. Tablet is not responding. Okay. So again I am calculating that y equals to mx plus c, and the points are for these points are nothing but here for 1 comma 0 and that is the value, and again here 1 minus v, that is the value, 1 comma minus v, and here 2 comma 0. These are the points. So slope value is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 0 minus of y1 is value is minus v. So we'll get a plus v by x2. X2 value is 2 minus of what is x1 value as 1. So that you will get as v. So this is slope value, and v of t is equals to, here we are taking a v of t is equals to v t plus c. Okay, so now we need to substitute a v of t value as a 0 in order to calculate the why replacing it as a 0 means, so here the point is at 2 comma 0, that is the point. Okay, here y is 0. So this is the y-axis. So here we are talking about y. So that why we are putting it as 0. 0 is equals to, and what is the x value at that point? X value as y equals to mx. This x we are treating it as a t, but we are substituting this point in order to calculate the c value. So we need to take x value as 2. We need to take x value as 2. So 0 is equals to 2v plus c. This is the value. So c is equals to, what is the value you're getting? Minus 2v. So this is the value c. Now we need to substitute that value in the place of c. So y equals to mx plus c. So we got earlier value as v and c, and the c value is obtained as a minus 2v. So this is the v of t equation. This is the v of t equation for t less than 1 less than t less than 2. For this is the equation. Okay. So now this v of t is splitted into parts. V of t is splitted into two parts. Between 0 to t. So again, I'm writing. You need to calculate here. It is 2. Directly you can write 2. Root over 0 to 1 v of t whole square dt plus, it is splitted like this, 1 to 2 v of t whole square dt by 2. So have you understand up to now? Any doubts? Hello?
No doubt, sir.
Hello? Okay. So can I erase this up to now?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Hello? Okay. Completed? Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am erasing this. Okay. So the RMS value is equals to root over integral 0 to 1. So what is a v of t in 0 to 1? V of t value we got as, what is the equation of v of t? It's between 0 to 1. Line equation.
VT.
Vt. Vt wholes Vt. V of t, not v of t. Vt. Okay. Vt whole square dt plus integral 1 to 2. We got the line equation as like this. Okay. So now in this v common. So I'm taking v as common. So v multiplied with t minus 2 whole square. This is the v of t dt by 2. So this is a 2 value root for entire.
By 2y.
Okay.
By 2y.
Why? What, man? Hello? Hello? Hello?
I think we
So,
will continue.
is it clear? Okay. Okay. V square t square dt plus integral. So this can be splitted like this. V square t minus 2 whole square dt by 2. Okay. Clear so far? Now integrate this term. Take v as common outside. Take v outside of this integral. So erase this on the right side. Can I erase this on the right side?
Yes, sir.
So I'm erasing this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take v outside of the root also, so that you'll get a v, and by root 2. Okay. So is a root, and integration of t square is nothing but t cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 1, and here t minus 2 whole square. The term is treated like this: t minus 2 whole square is nothing but a t square minus 2 4t plus 4. Okay, so now integrate each term so that you'll get t cube by 3 here, minus of 4t square by 2. This is t square, he is not writing. Oh, this is t square by 2 plus 4t so we need to apply integration. So here not writing, so again I will write it down. V by root 2 root over, so t cube by 3 0 to 1, t cube by 3 4t square by 2 plus 4t. Sorry, here the limits are 1 to 2. Now we need to substitute the limits in this particular. 1 by 3 plus, here you will get a 2. Okay, t 2 cube means 8. 8 by 3 minus 4 multiplied with 2, 8 plus 8t, sorry, 8. This is 1. Here I will cancel this. 8 by 3 will get. Okay. And 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 4. Okay. This is under root. V by root 2 root over 1 by 3 of 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2. V by root 2 1 by 3. So I think this is a plus. Okay. 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3. Okay, what is the value here? 6 LCM here. So 6 minus okay, 5 by 3 you are getting here. Okay, now take this LCM. So up to here clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, it is
Hello?
clear.
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay. So I'm erasing on the left side. So v by root 2 root over. Okay, now I'll take the LCM 3. Okay, 1 plus 8 9 9 minus 5 4. So I'll get v by 2 multiplied with 4 by 3. So the value here, so v, so that we can write it as a root 2 here and 2 by root 3. Okay, so 2v by root 6. So this is the value you're getting. So 2 by root 6 value you can calculate it through calculator, so that you can write it in the value as 2 by root 6 0.816. The value obtained as 0.816 V. So this is the VRMS value. In this way you can calculate the RMS value. Have you understand or not? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Okay, can I erase this? Hello?
Jason.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this way you can calculate the RMS value. Now we'll see the same, for the same problem you need to calculate the average value. So again I'm writing the same problem. So for that problem you need to calculate the average value. I will show how to calculate average value. Okay, so this is a waveform, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. For this waveform, calculate the average value. Calculate the average value. Okay, so average value formula is average value is equals to area under the curve, which is nothing but 1 by t by 2 for half cycle. You are calculating half cycle. Okay, average value should be calculated for only for half cycle. So why we are calculating it for half cycle means, if you take for one complete cycle it will be 0, the average cycle. So suppose you can see here the during positive half cycle, so what is the value of the peak value? V. And during negative half cycle, what is the peak value? Minus V. So if you take the average value means it will come as 0. It will come as 0. So that means average value for one complete full cycle is 0 always. Okay, that's why we are calculating for a half cycle. Average value we are calculating it for a half cycle. So this is the formula. So 1 by t by 2 integral 0 to t, that means we are calculating the area for a half cycle. We are calculating area. This is the area for a half cycle. Area of a half cycle. Okay, and this is the base length of the half cycle. This is the base length of the half cycle, and the formula is area of the half cycle by base length of the half cycle. Base length of the half cycle. Okay, so this is the formula, 1 by t by 2 integral of 0 to t by 2 v of t dt. Now in the time period for this cycle is 2. The time period for this cycle is 2. Now t by 2 means for one complete this is the half cycle time period, the t by 2. T by 2 time period is 1. Okay. So that means you need to calculate the average value. So the average value is equals to 1 by V average. We are calculating the waveform, voltage waveform. So that's why we can represent V average. T by 2. T by 2 value is 1. Integration of 0 to T by 2 value is 1. V of T. So we have already calculated 0 to T. Time period is 0 to 1. So what is the V of T value? We have already calculated in RMS value. What is the V of T value? Which is nothing but Vt, I think. Nothing but Vt. So in the place of T, we need to substitute Vt. Why? Because we are calculating it for 0 to 1. So the 0 to 1, it is a value, time period 0 to 1. Then V of T value as Vt. Vt dt. So it is always 1, we cannot write. Okay, now integrate it. We take out V outside and integration of 0 to 1 t dt. So V t square by 2 0 to 1 V 1 by 2. So that means V by 2. So the value is 0.5 V. This is the average value. This is the V average value. In this way, we can do the average value calculation and RMS value calculation of a particular waveform. Okay. Have you understood or not? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is any doubts up to now? Is any doubts up to now?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now I will give a homework problem, 2 homework problems. You need to calculate. Okay.
Okay.
And tell me the answers in the WhatsApp. Post it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. After doing the problem, please post it in the WhatsApp group.
For you, sir.
Okay. Now I'm clearing this. So can I clear this? Okay. Now I'll give the 2 problems. This is also V of T. Okay. And the value is 1. The value and the value is 4. Like this. This is the T. Okay. And this is 0. Calculate average and RMS values. This waveform. The first problem, and the next problem is waveform. So calculate average and RMS. Average and RMS. values of this waveform.
Sir, your
So these
screen
are
is
the
not
two
visible.
problems given.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Presentation is stopped, sir.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
I think now it is visible. Still it is not visible. My connection is there or not? Okay. Okay. Now it is visible. See? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the two problems given to you as a homework. Do it in the home, and after doing it, post it in the WhatsApp. Okay. Today only. Okay.
Sir, last class you gave an
Yeah.
problem on nodal analysis, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, we need the answers for that, sir. I posted that question in the group, sir. WhatsApp group.
Okay, okay, okay. I will get to you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Have you noted down? Hello. As it is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so I'm stopping today. So have you posted the attendance in the chat box? Okay, it's already okay.
Post
Okay.
the recording, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you.